Are you in search of a reliable and durable solution for your networking needs? Look no further. Here's a comprehensive review of the PETCHTOOL RJ45 Cat6 Cat5 connectors ends. Designed specifically for professional and hobbyist utilization, these Ethernet connectors offer impeccable performance. Equipped with a pass-through design, they facilitate efficient termination, enhancing precision during cable setups. The gold-plated contacts ensure robust connectivity and minimize signal loss, making them apt for both Cat5 and Cat6 cables. This 100-pack offering is ideal for comprehensive projects, delivering consistent results. Perfectly suited for both home networking enthusiasts and IT experts, these connectors promise reliability and ease of use. Incorporating advanced engineering, they sustain an industry-standard 8P8C configuration, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of applications. In conclusion, the PETCHTOOL Ethernet pass-through plug is a commendable choice, blending quality with outstanding value, empowering users in their networking tasks. Consider investing in this high-grade networking essential for optimized connectivity results.